Now the last step here is mounting the camera. So in the manual they have us putting the camera on here. It's hard to tell whether they want you to clip it from the bottom or the top. Looks like it fits on better from the bottom, but still not, super good, and it could slip off. Same thing with the top. The camera I got really doesn't fit well. It looks like they tried to leave room for the cable here, but in my case they really didn't for the camera that I have, so it's either like down here or some sort of hybrid like that. So I don't really want to cut into this plexiglass. I think I'll just mount the camera like this, and then I think I'll strap it down with some tie wraps. Another thing you have to keep in mind is that this whole system is going to want to turn, right? And this is going to put some drag on that turning, and you really don't want the drag. You don't want the servo motor to have to turn this whole assembly and pull the wire with it at the same time. So I'm going to pull out some slack here on this cable and find a way to tie wrap down this cord clip so that there's plenty of slack as this mechanism turns, and interfere as little as possible with it turning. So tie wrapping the camera shouldn't be too bad, if I can find my tie wraps. I have some black ones that I think would probably work nice, so let's just see if we can tie wrap this side in place. See how it wants to slip off from there. You just know while you're showing this off, that camera's going to slip off, and it's going to be like, oh no, I gotta go fix the camera. So hopefully this will wrap, will only go in one direction, in that side of it. Kind of looks like it has bug ears, doesn't it? Okay. And granted, it's going to add a little more weight and funkiness, but hopefully that will help hold the camera in place as it moves around and turns. I think I'll leave the bug ears on. They're kind of cool. And then we just have to find a place where we can tie wrap this. Maybe we'll just have a little loop here that we can use. And we have a hole that we can use. So if it's going to look okay and not get in anybody's way here, then let's try using that. That might work. That will work. Okay. Nice and super amount of flexibility here for the camera to turn. Cut this off, and then this we can play with later. Looks like it's going to be okay. Alright, so that's how I did my camera. Hopefully it will be a little more stable than just a clip.